How to get a virtual phone number of any country. So in this video guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can get a virtual phone number of any country. So the first step guys is to go ahead and open your app store. When you open your app store, I want you to look for an application called Dingtone. I'll be explaining both paid and free methods, so just keep on watching. So when you open your app store, I want you to just search for an application called Dingtone. So let's go ahead and search for Dingtone. When you search for Dingtone, go ahead and install Dingtone on your phone. If you don't have the application, just go ahead and install it. As for me, I do have, so I'll go ahead and open. So when you open Dingtone, I want you to go ahead and create an account. So go ahead and click on get started. When you click on get started, if you have an account, go ahead and log in. As for me, I don't have an account, so I'll click on sign up. When you click on sign up, go ahead and put in your phone number. So if you are, depending on the country you are doing this, just go ahead and put your real phone number. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my real phone number. So when you put in your real phone number, just click on continue. When you click on continue, they will send you an access code. So just wait for the access code. So when you put in your access code, you're going to be seeing this pop-up screen showing friendly tips. So just go ahead and click on continue. Should we allow access? No, don't allow. I don't want it to be accessing my contacts. So if you want it to access your contact, you can go ahead and do that. So when you open if you open your Dingtone, just go ahead and click on where it says more, and you have a free 25 credits, so you can get more if you want. If you don't want, you can actually. So navigate to where it says connect. When you click on connect, you're going to be seeing get your first phone number. So go ahead and click on get your first number. As you can see guys, you can get any number you want. So you can go ahead and look for the number you want, and then you click. If you want the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Belgium, Netherlands, Poland, Sweden, France, so any number you want, you're going to be able to get it. So if you want the United States number, just go ahead and click on that. When you click on that, you click on and select the address you want. So you can go ahead and just select the address you want. So as you can see guys, you can get any phone number you want. So if you follow this step carefully guys, you'll be getting any phone number you want. So if this video is really helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.